Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. So today's video is for those people that want to have the backup video link to your Android auto or your Android unit radio, the aftermarket Android unit radio. So you want to link the backup video from here to here. Let me show you. So as you can see, if I put it back up, you see the reverse video is up here, and now it's going down here too. So you got both. So this video is going to show you how to link that one to your Android radio. So this has been a long time coming. I've been thinking about doing it, and I think I forgot, and it just time passed by, and it's been a while. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how you link that one to this one. Okay, so let me get the thing ready, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I got all this thing, so make this videos a lot easier. So I just gonna already pre-remove all this panel, so we get to the main point. If you want to real know step by step, then I have another video that's already coming out that tell you how to remove this. So I will link that in my video description if you want to check it out for that video, how to remove this head unit. Then check out that video. But I'll just give you overall. Basically, you need to pull this up, pry it out, pry this whole thing out. As you can see, it's all clip. This whole piece panel out, it's all clip. And when you remove that, next step you want to do is unscrew this nut right here, and then remove this. Basically, this is the same thing. It's a lot of clip. As you can see, a whole bunch of clip. Then next thing you want to do is remove this. So it's always good to have a prying tool like this. When you bought this unit right here, they give you this. So basically, you prying this out. This should come out easy. A lot of clip, as you can see. So you unplug that, and next thing you want to do is remove this piece up here. Basically, it's just clip again. You just pry it up, and it should come out, as you can see. And next thing you want to do is take out the whole radio unit right here. So basically, it's an all clip, as you can see. Okay, now we get to the good part. Let me see. Let me try to close this. Okay, now this is in the back of the radio unit. So most of the AliExpress unit are very similar. So what you want to do is, here's the important thing. In the back of this this screen right here, there's a plug. So you want to unplug that. And what you're looking for right here is, let me show you this one. It's a lot easier. So what you want to look for is 2 wires in the front. So I hope you can see it. So the most important one is the black and the white one, as you can see. So if you have the plugs facing this way, as you can see, it's in the back. So you see the black and the white one. So the white one is the video negative, and the black one is the video positive. So remember that, okay? So, and then you need the backup signal. The backup signal is when you turn it around, it should be the other black one. As you can see, the other black one, when you turn around, See the black one? That's the signal. That's the backup signal. So when you ship to reverse, that the thing is gonna send in the signal to play the video for the front, which is the two black and white one. So remember, the black one is the positive and the white one is the negative. And the back, the black one is the reverse signal. So the reverse signal, what you want to do is you want to tap into that reverse signal cable, the black one right here. As you can see, you want to tap that reverse signal. There's a line all the way back into your head unit right here. So your head unit, the main plug is right here. And then usually the brown one right here is the backup signal. So you want to tap that to here, to the brown cable. Usually they have a label, so you know which cable is have the backup. They said R. They have a label for this. So the brown one right here. And maybe it's a different color for your unit, but look for the reverse cable. So this is the signal. So you tap the black one for the reverse down here to this reverse from the main cable out from the head unit. So it's usually brown. So here it is, you tap it in. Now you need to do the video, right? So the video is at the black and the white. So like I said, the black one is the plus and then the white one is the negative video. So the white one will go into, as you can see in the back of your unit, they should have the backup plug right here, the backup plug that's coming out. So usually they come out with the two cable. One is black and one is yellow, right? So what do you want to do is the white one, so you tap the white one over there, they go into this black cable, and then the black one is going to this yellow cable. So you got it? So this is for the video, right? This is for the backup video that you have for your unit. So this is the backup video right here. The plug in. So it come out two cable. One is yellow and one is black. So the black one is supposed to go to the white one. And then the yellow is supposed to go to the black. So yellow is going to this black right here. This black cable right here. Okay? And then the white one is supposed to go into the black. So it's opposite, okay? So the black one right here is going to the yellow over here. And then the black here going to the white cable over here. So you got it? So if you mix it up, it's fine. If you mix it up, go ahead and switch it. If you mix it up and then you turn on your vehicle and you do the reverse and you do not see the video show up on your screen, then you probably mix the cable around. You reverse the cable, so you trying to switch the cable to the other side, and it should work out. So you got it up here. Like I said, I keep repeating, this is most important, right? As you can see, so here is the plug in the front. When you move on the back, you see there's black and white. The black one is the positive and the white one is the negative, okay? So the black here on this plug, you tap it and you link it to the yellow one here. And then the white one here, you link it to the black cable inside the radio unit right here. And let me show you again in the back. And if you turn this around, you see the black cable right here. That's the reverse signal. So the reverse signal goes straight into the brown one right here, when the main plug is. See the main plug? They come out a brown cable. So that's where you connect it in. So after you did that, you put everything back, you test it out, and it should link the screen, the reverse screen, from up here to down here. So hopefully, hope that helped out. I know I have to repeat over and over because that's the most important. And if you did it right, it should work out fine. So I hope you find it useful. And I also link to the installation of the head unit right here, in case if you want more detail on how to remove this whole panel out. So that's it for video. I hope you find it helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.